Ang main reason talaga kung paano nag-start yung LM Events, I am a event host. So, I started on Quiddy Party. More on parties yung hinahandle ko. And then after that, start ako ng hosting. So, I'm doing hosting for more than 15 years na rin. And then at the same time, while doing hosting, dahan-dahan akong nag-explore sa tinatawag nating event coordination. And at the same time, dahil mahilig din kami magluto, ang aking ate at kuya, na bakit tayo magtayo ng catering services. And then, by God's grace, slowly, na simulan namin yung catering business. And at the same time, lumago. As of today, we have Lesser Manalo Wedding and Events with me as their wedding host with the help of my ate and kuya for my catering services business. To be honest, number one is money. And at the same time, network and connection. Why? Because when my parents died, together with my lolo and lola, na-realize ko na paano kami mabubuhay magkakapatid nang wala kaming magulang, wala kaming lolo, lola. At the same time, we need to stand on our own. I am proud that I have my brother and sisters who are always there to support me with everything. Sa kabila nun, hindi pa rin naman sasapat yon kasi meron na rin kami mga sarili-sariling buhay. We started working at the young age. So, working student kaming tatlo. With all the experience that we had, hindi naman sapat yung kinikita namin that time. Actually, kulang talaga yon. Alam naman natin, when you are a starter, magkano lang yung sasahurin mo kapag nagtatrabaho ka sa mga fast food chain. And at the same time, I am a person who has a lot of dreams, not only for myself, but for all the people behind me. Dream ko na talaga na makatulong, especially with my relatives. My first dream is to become a teacher. Gusto ko talaga na on myself, meron akong purpose sa buhay, and that is to help other people. With that, the biggest challenge I think is paano ka mag-start ng business nang wala kang resources, wala kang pera, at the same time wala kang connection. So I am proud that LM Events is started from scratch with no connections, with no money and resources. Walang taong nagturo. So nag-start siya with me, kasama yung kapatid ko, the guidance of the Lord. Naniniwala kasi ako na if you want something, you can do everything as long as you trust God and believe in yourself. Parang sa dami ng mga nangyayari sa buhay, with the challenges, dahan-dahan naman nag-improve yung journey ng LM. Kahit nung umpisa, walang gaano naniniwala. Post lang kami ng post, lalo na ako. So, habang tumatagal, may mga onting naniniwala. Most of the people who trusted me, especially yung mga taong hindi ko kilala. And even until today, I am grateful to all the people who trusted LM for many occasions. Hindi rin kami mayaman. And at the same time, yung bagay na meron kami ay pinaghirapan lang namin talaga. So, kung ano yung merong maliit na halaga, natutunan ko yun na paikutin ang paikutin hanggang sa lumaki, hanggang sa eto na yung LM Events today. Sa lahat ng mga business owners, totoo naman na mahirap mag-start lalo na kung wala kang pera. We are grateful that for the past 10 years, we already established our name. At the same time, we already build connections to people who trusted the quality of the services that we offer to them. To be honest, gusto ko talagang matulungan yung ate ko tsaka yung kuya ko. But again, I have a greater dream for us, but to show to people na maaga man kaming nawala ng mga magulang, we can still stand on our own. And at the same time, with ate and kuya on my side, kahit anong challenges in our life, hindi kami perfect, nag-aaway kami. Maraming mga pangyayari sa buhay namin na sumubok sa aming pagmamahalan. Pero naniniwala ako na napalaki kami ng maayos ng mga magulang namin. Kaya kahit anong mangyari, yung pagmamahal namin sa isa't isa, yung pagpapatawad at pag-intindi ay laging nandun. Kaya naniniwala ako na si LM, any challenges that we will encounter in our business and in our personal life, alam ko walang hindi magiging madali doon because I have my brother and sister and of course with Lord as our guidance sa lahat ng mga bagay. We started with 50 packs. Naaalala ko pa that time, 50 packs, pero yung pagkain namin sobrang dami. Sabi ko pa sa ate ko na, ilagay mo lang yan dyan sa ilalim para at least pag kinulang yung pagkain, meron tayong huhugutin. Wala naman kaming, hindi namin alam yung proportioning, hindi namin alam kung ilang kilo ba dapat yung ipiprepare para dun sa pagkain. And at the same time, yung mga bagay na, wala kaming mentorship. So, ibig sabihin, everything is pinag-aralan ko lang based on experience. So, wala din akong mentor na nagturo sa akin na dapat ganito yung gagawin, dapat ganito yung mga processes mo for the business. So, walang ganon. So, lahat is learning by our experience. And with that, tingin ko naman, we started from event planning and coordination. We already have our own catering services. And at the same time, LM Events is now on its 10 years. So, I can say na lumago na siya from the time that we started. Although, I have a brighter future pa na nilulook forward for LM Events na alam ko na according to God's purpose and perfect timing, lahat yan ay mangyayari on time. Like what I have said from the time that we started, I really love celebration kasi nakikita ko yung mga mahal ko sa buhay. Parang kaya ako, every time I have my personal event like my birthday, yung mga simpleng event, I usually invite talaga people that I love. Kasi wala na akong magulang. So, nakakamiss at ang sarap makita yung mga tao na masaya during their celebration. At naniniwala ako na yung oras natin ay maiksi lang. So, I want it to celebrate and I want them to feel that they are loved by the people na nakakasama natin. And being gifted with the talent that I have, especially in hosting and managing events, I think I have the capacity and also I'm just an instrument of the Lord para mapasaya at the same time, maging memorable lahat ng mga occasions that we handle. Because I believe that celebration is not only about on the things that we see, it's all about the more that we feel and always remember. Not only on the day of the wedding, but it lasts forever. Ibig sabihin, yung buhay natin, we need to learn to treasure the people that we have in our lives because everyone has their own chapters. Hindi sa lahat ng chapter ng buhay natin, makakasama natin sila. Pero naniniwala ako with the chapter that we have, every time that we meet people, naniniwala ako doon that we live purposely and at the same time, dapat ibigay natin yung best natin sa buhay natin, sa mga taong nakakasama natin. And I am grateful and thankful for everyone dahil sila talaga ang dahilan kung bakit patuloy na nag-grow ang LM. I think it's all about the feelings and the experience that we had or that they had from LM events. Ito yung pag narinig nila yung LM events, ito yung memories that they can be treasured forever. Kasi naniniwala ako na hindi lang ito tungkol sa mismong araw, but ito ay tungkol sa habang buhay na selebrasyon na habang buhay nilang maaalala kahit matanda na sila. Siguro with your 10 years from now, malayo na yung narating mo. Although marami ka pang gustong gawin sa buhay mo, kahit ikaw yung taong nawala ng magulang, at the same time, walang taong naniniwala sa'yo noon. With you, hindi ka nagpapapigil pag may gusto kang gawin sa buhay. You dedicate your life and you put your heart on it 100%. I just want to say that I am proud. Hindi ka man naging teacher, but at the same time, you became a mentor, not only to student, but to a lot of people. You not only teach from the book, but you teach outside the book. And it's all about the experience. And it's all about the values that they need to treasure forever. And I just want to say na I'm happy and I know mas magiging magtagumpay ka pa in the future. And always don't forget that God is the reason for everything that you have right now.